That moment when your throat begins to itch, your nose feels stuffy, and you sense that unmistakable heaviness in your body. It's the onset of a cough, cold, or flu, nature's way of reminding us to slow down and heal. But in our fast-paced modern world, we often rush to the nearest pharmacy for quick fixes, syrups, tablets, and antibiotics. Yet deep within the roots of nature lies an ancient pharmacy, one that has healed humanity long before the first medicine bottle was ever made. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful natural remedies to cure cough, cold, and flu, using herbal wisdom that has stood the test of time. These aren't just home remedies. They are nature's science, balancing your body, strengthening your immunity, and restoring harmony from within. So, if you're tired of treating only the symptoms and want to heal the root cause naturally, stay with me till the end, because these herbal healing tips might just transform how you look at health forever. Let's begin our journey into natural healing, guided by the timeless power of plants. 1. The power of ginger, nature's fire of healing. Our first natural ally is ginger, or as ancient Ayurvedic texts call it, Vishvabheshaja, meaning the universal medicine. When you're down with a cough, cold or flu, your body's internal fire, called Agni in Ayurveda, becomes weak. This allows toxins, or ama, to accumulate, creating congestion, mucus, and fatigue. Ginger rekindles this inner fire, melting away toxins and reactivating your body's natural defense. Ginger contains gingerol and shogaol, compounds that have powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antioxidant effects. They help fight off viruses responsible for colds and flu, while soothing irritated airways. In modern science, ginger's ability to suppress prostaglandins, chemicals that cause inflammation and pain, explains why it's so effective for sore throats, headaches, and sinus congestion. Traditional ginger tea recipe ingredients: water, freshly grated ginger, honey. A squeeze of lemon. Boil the water with grated ginger for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then add honey and lemon. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day, especially before bedtime. It not only clears the throat, but also promotes deep, restful sleep, essential for recovery. Ginger steam inhalation. Boil a handful of ginger slices in water. Lean over the pot, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears nasal congestion and relieves sinus pressure instantly. Honey and lemon, nature's golden. Our second remedy brings together 2 of nature's most healing gifts, honey and lemon. They might seem simple, but when combined, they form a powerful natural elixir that soothes the throat, reduces coughing, and strengthens immunity. Honey is not just a sweetener, it's a natural antibiotic, antiviral, and antioxidant. Its thick texture coats the throat, calming irritation and reducing the urge to cough. Studies show that honey is as effective as over-the-counter cough syrups, especially in children, but never give honey to babies under 1 year old. Lemon brings in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for immune function. It helps your white blood cells fight infection, while its acidity balances the body's pH and clears mucus. Ingredients: raw honey, fresh lemon juice, warm water mix, and sip slowly, allowing it to coat your throat. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day, especially in the morning and before bedtime. Bonus remedy: honey ginger syrup mix, equal parts of grated ginger and honey in a small jar. Let it infuse for a few hours. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture every few hours to calm a persistent cough. You'll feel warmth in your chest, a sign that circulation and energy are returning to balance. 3. Turmeric, the golden healer. Our third herbal hero is turmeric, often called the golden healer. For thousands of years, turmeric has been revered in both Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for its ability to purify the blood, heal wounds, and fight inflammation. The science of curcumin. The active compound curcumin in turmeric is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It fights infection, reduces mucus buildup, and supports liver detoxification, all vital for recovery from cold and flu. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Recipe ingredients: warm milk, dairy or plant-based. Turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, helps curcumin absorption. Honey or cinnamon, heat milk gently. Stir in turmeric and black pepper. Sweeten lightly with honey once warm. Drink this soothing golden milk before bedtime. It helps calm the throat, reduce coughing, and promote deep sleep. Turmeric steam or gargle for sore throats. Mix 1 or 2 teaspoons turmeric and a pinch of salt in warm water. Gargle twice a day. This simple practice reduces throat inflammation and kills bacteria naturally. 4. Holy Basil, Tulsi, the sacred protector. Our fourth remedy is one of the most sacred plants in Ayurvedic tradition. Tulsi, also known as Holy Basil. Revered as the queen of herbs, Tulsi is known for its remarkable ability to strengthen immunity, balance the respiratory system, and uplift the spirit. Why Tulsi is powerful? Tulsi leaves contain compounds like eugenol and camphene, which have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. They help relieve congestion, reduce fever, and support the body's natural healing rhythm. Tulsi herbal tea ingredients 5 to 6. Fresh Tulsi leaves 1 cup water boil. Tulsi leaves in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then strain and sip. This tea helps relieve sore throat, runny nose, and fatigue. Add Tulsi leaves to boiling water and inhale the steam. It clears nasal passages and acts as a natural expectorant. Tulsi is also an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. During illness, it calms anxiety, supports adrenal health, and enhances recovery. 5. Strengthening immunity, the root of true healing. Now that we've explored the herbs that fight infection, it's time to address something deeper: your immune system. True healing doesn't mean suppressing symptoms. It means restoring balance so your body can defend itself naturally. Hydration and warm fluids. During cold or flu, dehydration worsens symptoms. Sip on warm water, herbal teas, and broths throughout the day. Warm fluids help thin mucus and keep your body's detox pathways active. Rest and sleep. Your body heals most during sleep. Herbal teas like chamomile, tulsi, and golden milk promote deep rest, essential for cellular repair and immunity restoration. Nutrient support include immune-boosting foods, vitamin C, citrus fruits, amla, Indian gooseberry, zinc, pumpkin seeds, lentils, nuts, probiotics, yogurt, fermented foods, detox breathing practice, deep breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale slowly through the mouth. This enhances lung function and helps release toxins through breath. Mind-body connection in holistic healing. Emotions and immunity are deeply linked. Suppressed emotions weaken the lungs and throat chakra. Practice gratitude, gentle movement, and mindfulness to create harmony within. When your body, mind, and spirit align, healing becomes effortless. Nature has given us everything we need to heal: roots, leaves, flowers, and the wisdom to use them with love and respect. When we turn to herbal remedies, we're not rejecting modern medicine. We're remembering that healing is a partnership between nature and self-awareness. So, the next time you feel that tickle in your throat or heaviness in your chest, pause for a moment. Instead of rushing to suppress it, ask your body what it truly needs: warmth, rest, or nourishment. Then brew that cup of ginger tea, sip that honey lemon elixir, or breathe in the sacred scent of Tulsi. You'll find that healing is not something we chase, and it's something we awaken from within. May these 5 herbal healing tips guide you toward natural balance and radiant health. Remember, your body is wise and nature is kind. Together, they can heal anything. If you found this message helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with those you love.